Allegiant Stadium.
And in.
At home. Here we are at the Allegiant Stadium. Home of the Raiders. Across the street from the Mandalay Bay and Delano. Black and silver box. We're gonna get into the north entry. We are inside. Check out the floor. The sun look very cool. Let's go inside. VIP door open for Aston. The whole store full of Raiders there. Biggest one here in the biggest store I've ever been. Hi, Dad. We got Renfro, Crosby, Running, and Adam. Christmas tree. Beautiful. Let's go look at the ladies' jersey. Lady area. The Lady Raiders. Sandra. There's a lot of merchandise. The jewelry. Not too bad. You want that backpack? Always a Raider. Once a Raider, always a Raider.
They do the long way thing. That way,
Woman juice. Alright. They didn't have the stuff we want. We want to custom made our jersey, but they ran out of stuff. So I'm gonna try to order online, but until next time, Allegiant Stadium. Bye.